Hey friends, Ali here. I represent you as Zen 2000 VXI model carburetor. Today I'll show you 10 light strip installation. I'll show you how to start right now. So there is a subwoofer and this installation in vehicle, but in my next video I'll show you how to wrap this subwoofer box. Leave a comment if you have any doubts, like to my channel and subscribe, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon. This one, install it on one more, you have to open on this one. That the lights are open. So this is a brake, and here this is a reverse cabin, and this is an indicator one. The reverse negative, and this is a positive, and this is a brake light one control. This is an indicator control. So this is the reverse one. I'll show you how to connect right now. So these are connectors. So first we're gonna connect the positive to this red. And then negative to negative. So make sure you are connecting each wire in the proper connectivity. And this one is so left, so I'm going to connect to the left indicator, left indicator. It is this wire. So make sure there is no loose contact. And here I'm gonna take the brake one. So brake, you can go and connect to the positive terminal only, because if you on the brake light like parking lights, so it will get on. there is only one left, is right. So we'll take one wire. So we'll take one wire from the right box to the left till here. Open this one. Use heavy gauge wire, a good quality one which can last long. So I'm using this wire. Same, this is the brake, this is the indicator, and this is the reverse. So we're gonna connect to the indicator connector. We're going to close this, so here it's done. We'll pull extra wires, so let it be tight there. I'm going to connect this. Our setup is done. Our wiring installation is done right now. So I'll keep here. I'm taking this strap. So we'll connect this strap. So it's very easy. Just peel out the sticker. Just connect this. installation is done. To see the results, I left a link in my description. Just check it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.